Hello, and welcome to How to Save a Word Doc as a PDF File. You've just completed an assignment and you're ready to turn it in. However, your instructor wants all work submitted as a PDF. This tutorial will show you how to save your Word doc as a PDF file. Let's get started. To start the process, move the cursor to the top left corner of the screen. Locate the word File and select. A new window appears. As you notice on the left-hand side, there is a blue ribbon. Use your cursor to move down the list to find the phrase Save As and select. Now you need to determine where you want your file to be located. One way is to select Browse. Move the cursor to the right of the blue ribbon and select. As you notice, a dialog box appears. Within this dialog box, you have several options of where you can store your file. Choose the one that best suits your needs. To change the file name, move the cursor to the box directly to the right of File Name. Here, you can call your file whatever you would like. To save as a PDF, move the cursor to the box directly to the right of where it says Save as Type. On the far right hand side of the box, you'll notice a downward arrow. Select this toggle. Once this toggle is selected, you'll notice a list of various file extensions. Use the cursor to move through the list until you find PDF, and then select. Before you select Save, you notice that you have some options for publishing. Choose the one that best suits your needs. In addition, you can add tags to your file. This will help you reference your work for later. Below the Options button, there's a small box that says, Open this file after publishing. It's a good idea to select this. This allows you to review your file as a PDF. Next to the Save button, there's a feature that says Tools. This gives you more options for how you save and/or how you publish your final document. For this tutorial, we're going to keep it simple. Move the cursor to the Save button and select. Well, there it is. You're done. Good job. Within a moment or two, your PDF file will open up. As you review your PDF file, be sure to proofread one more time. And one last thing, don't forget to turn it in. For more information on this topic, feel free to download our free guide, How to Save a Word Doc as a PDF.